Hi everyone, this is Howard here. Today we will start a web development course in which you will learn about HTML and CSS. Before moving forward, let me give you an idea about what HTML and CSS is. HTML is a markup language. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is actually all about working with tags. You will learn more about these tags in upcoming lectures. Along with HTML, you will learn CSS as well, which is very helpful while working with HTML. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Actually, HTML just provides your page a skeleton, and the CSS allows you to provide this skeleton a beautiful appearance. To give you a better idea of how all this works, consider this example. When you land on someone's website, you actually send a request to the server behind that domain. That server then sends you a bunch of files which contains HTML files as well. These HTML files are used to show the web page, and these web pages are styled using the CSS transferred with these HTML files. All this is done behind the scene by your browser. This is completely free course. You don't have to pay anything in order to complete this course. The only thing you need to pay is your time. If you have no background in programming and you are absolute beginner in this field, even in that case, you are at perfect place. You would learn most of the things that are important for you in order to create stunning web pages. This course will start from basic topics perfect for beginners and gradually transforms to advanced topics. I think this scheme to be perfect for beginners to start, as this will transform the viewers from beginner to an advanced HTML programmer. The special thing about this course is that you will get useful notes of this course as well. These notes contain all the main points covered in these videos. The source code that we would write for practice while lectures would be available to download as well. The link to each lecture's notes and sources are available in the description of each lecture. You are free to download them. Now we obviously need an editor for writing our code, so we will be using Visual Studio Code by Microsoft as an IDE. Don't worry if you don't know about it, I am here to teach you all that. Installing this IDE is pretty easy. Just open a browser of your choice. I am using Chrome browser, so I would open my browser and in Google just search for Visual Studio Code. After opening the search results, just select the first link in the search results. Now Visual Studio Code is available for different platforms. You can download it depending on your preference. I am using Windows, so I would download the Visual Studio Code for Windows operating system. I already have downloaded this software, so I won't download it again. After that, just open the exe file and click I accept the agreement and the next button. I prefer to install my softwares in a different folder, so I would select that folder, and after browsing it I would click OK and next button. I would keep it the same way, and it is important you have to click both of these boxes. I would tell you later why is it important. After that you can create a desktop icon, but I won't do so. Just click next and click install. After this software is completely installed, we would install some extensions in it. These extensions would help us a lot when we will be working. After that, this window would pop up in front of you. This could vary on your device. After that, you should sign in the Microsoft account right here. I already have signed in my Microsoft account, so I won't do so again. After that, you just have to move towards a tab, extensions tab, and it has a shortcut also, Ctrl+Shift+X. After opening this tab, just search for live server extension. Then install this extension. This is very useful extension. For now we would just install this extension. Later on we can install other extensions as well depending on our needs. This extension would prevent us from not reloading the pages while we would be developing our HTML websites. So when it is completely installed, you can read this documentary of this extension as well. It also has many downloads, 25 million downloads. It is used on it. Now it has completely got installed. Now the only work we have left is to make a directory which we would be using while our course to write code in. So I would create a folder and name it practice HTML lecture 1. After that we would open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Now there are several ways of opening it. We would use a simple one. Just right click on it and click open with code. Now this option is present here because we checked those two checkboxes. If you won't check those, this option won't be available here. You can read these release notes. I would just close this window. After that we would get our workspace. This is the workspace where we would be working and creating our HTML file. This button go live down here is due to that extension that we just installed. In next video we would explore more about this editor and just get insight of how we would be able to write code. So hit the like button, subscribe this channel and ring the bell icon so that you may get the notification of all the amazing courses uploaded by Honor for you in free. After completing this course, you would be able to create web pages and style them without any problem. If you want to watch all the lectures at one place, proceed to the playlist. The link is in description.